Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a managing account in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. Here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, and at the bottom of the list tap on the settings and support toggle list. In this toggle list, we find settings and privacy. And in settings and privacy, we tap on your account, then follow on by account information. And here we tap on automation. Here is a brief explanation of what an automated account is. It basically uses the X API to automatically post informations about a certain topic. But you have to have a managing account connected to these automations. You just tap on got it and then select managing account, and here you can add your username and connect the automated account to the managing account that you have. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.